You're not lazy, you're not broken, and you're not lacking discipline. What you're experiencing is a dopamine problem, but not the way the internet explains it. Dopamine isn't pleasure, it's not happiness. And dopamine detox doesn't mean quitting everything you enjoy. In this video, we'll break down the real science of dopamine, how it controls motivation, focus, and effort, and why modern life quietly drains it. 1. What dopamine actually is and what it's not. Most people think dopamine equals pleasure. That's wrong. Dopamine is anticipation. It's the chemical that says, this is worth effort. It doesn't make you feel good. It makes you move. That's why dopamine spikes before rewards, not after. Your brain releases dopamine when you expect a reward. You predict success. You chase something meaningful, not when you actually receive it. 2. The motivation system of the brain. Your brain works on a baseline system. Think of dopamine like a volume knob. A healthy baseline equals motivation, feels normal. A low baseline equals everything, feels exhausting. When dopamine spikes too often, the brain compensates by lowering the baseline. This is not a flaw, it's protection. 3. Why modern life breaks motivation. Modern stimulation is fast, frequent, and effortless. Examples: endless scrolling, short-form videos, junk food, notifications, constant novelty. Each one causes a dopamine spike. The problem isn't the spike, it's the frequency. When spikes happen all day, effort feels pointless, focus feels painful, boredom feels unbearable. Your brain adapts downward. 4. Why you feel unmotivated even when life is fine. This is the confusing part. Nothing is wrong externally. You're safe. You have options. You have time. But internally, you can't start. You procrastinate. You feel mentally tired. This isn't laziness. It's a low dopamine baseline. Your brain has learned that effort no longer predicts reward. 5. The truth about dopamine detox. Dopamine detox is a misleading term. You cannot detox dopamine. Dopamine is essential for survival. What actually works is dopamine regulation. Dopamine detox 2.0 means reducing artificial spikes, rebuilding reward sensitivity, relinking effort to satisfaction. 6. The real problem: cheap rewards. Cheap rewards require no effort, no patience, no uncertainty. They train your brain to expect reward without work. Examples: refreshing feeds, binge watching, constant stimulation, multitasking. Over time, effort feels expensive. 7. Why discipline feels harder than it used to. Discipline doesn't fail. The environment overwhelms it. High stimulation increases impulsivity, reduces patience, weakens focus. This is why willpower alone doesn't work. The brain is responding exactly as designed. 8. Dopamine detox 2.0, the science-based version. Here's what actually helps. 1. Reduce frequency, not pleasure. You don't need to quit everything. You need space between rewards. 2. Delay gratification. Delay teaches the brain. Effort predicts reward again. 3. Embrace boredom. Boredom resets sensitivity. It's uncomfortable, but powerful. 4. 1 task at a time. Multitasking floods dopamine inefficiently. Single tasking restores focus. 9. Why boredom is necessary for focus. Boredom isn't a problem, it's a signal. When the brain gets no stimulation, creativity increases, motivation rebuilds, focus returns naturally. This is why ideas appear in silence, not noise. 10. Physical health and dopamine. Dopamine regulation depends on sleep, movement, sunlight, nutrition. A tired brain seeks stimulation. A rested brain tolerates effort. Mental discipline starts physically. 11. What recovery actually feels like. Recovery is subtle. At first, tasks feel boring. Time feels slower. Then, focus improves. Effort feels lighter. Motivation becomes internal, not intense, just steady. That's real progress. 12. The goal is not pleasure elimination. The goal is balance. Pleasure after effort feels satisfying. Pleasure without effort feels empty. Your brain wants meaning, not stimulation. Conclusion: you don't need more motivation. You need fewer artificial rewards. When effort becomes meaningful again, motivation follows naturally. Delay cheap rewards. Let boredom work for you. That's Dopamine Detox 2.0, the science-based way.